this size about 500 pieces
I think-
one day.
Yes, 2 people.
High-frequency welding is by far the best method for joining PVC and PU materials. The weld is much stronger compared to other technologies, such as hot air, hot wedge, and impulse welding. The resulting weld is also airtight and waterproof. Advantages of high-frequency welding is as below. Repeatable, reliable technology. Strong, durable, and even welds. Air, gas, and waterproof welds. Multi-layer welding. An environmentally friendly choice. If you have more questions about high-frequency welding, please contact our sales